The following is from Fall 2010 Math 112 Test 3, number 21. Here we need to solve this proportion, and as usual, the first thing we do when we see a proportion is to apply cross multiply, and that will be 1/4 times 3 2/3 equals to, see, the product of the main diagonal equals to the product of off diagonal, which is 2 3/8 times x. Now you see that right now we have an equation involving mixed number and a variable, right? And then from here what I will do is I supposed to multiply this, right? But to multiply this, to multiply mixed numbers, we need to convert them to improper fractions, right? Now if I convert to improper fractions, this will be 9/5 times 11/3 equals to, let me convert this also at the same time to improper fractions. That will be 16 plus 3 is 19/8 x. Now then when I multiply that, I can cross cancel this. This is 1, this is 3, therefore I get 33/5 equals to 19/8 x. Now and then I ask myself how to undo multiplying by 19/8 on the right hand side. You will say it is to divide the other side by 19/8, right? Yes, that's correct. You can divide by 19/8 on the other side, but to divide by 19/8 on the other side is the same to multiply by the reciprocal of that number, which is 8/19. Okay, now from here we will try to cross cancel, but it seems like we can't cross cancel, so we'll just multiply those. If I multiply those, I will get what will that be, 264/95 equals to x. Now because we start from mixed number at the beginning, I need to convert that back to mixed number. 2 times 95 is 190, that would be 74, so that would be 274/95 equals to x. Now notice that this question is an advanced question. You may say this question seems to be too hard, but that's actually a question, you know. Can you break a hard question and try to do it using the idea that you have learned in class? What we learn in class, usually instead of using mixed numbers, we use regular number, whole numbers, you know. But the idea that you apply here is the same to what you apply there. Okay, so as long as you know the technique, the correct technique, and you know how to apply it, you should not be afraid of big numbers or mixed numbers. Okay, the technique I show you here is exactly the same to the method I show you in class, even when I use simpler number. It's not about the simpler number, it's about the technique. Okay, again, if we summarize this, what I did first, I do the cross multiply, and then the next thing I need to do is to multiply this, right? Now how to multiply mixed numbers, that's another story. And then how to divide by 19/8 is to multiply by the reciprocal on the other side, and then I get the answer. I'm actually done here at this point, but because I have mixed number to start with, then I change it back to mixed number. Okay, this is from Fall 2010 Math 112 Test 3 number 21.